welcome to our early years singing assembly. Let's start by putting our hands up in the air and going, hello, high, hello, low, hello, high, hello, low, hello, loudly, hello, quietly, hello, loudly, hello, quietly, hello, slowly, hello, fast, hello, slowly, hello, fast, hello, popcorn, hello, chewing gum, hello, popcorn, hello, chewing gum. Right, why don't we start with 5 little ducks? Remember, 5 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck, do you remember we do 3 fingers for the sound? Mummy duck said, whack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Let's have a go. 5 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said, whack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said, whack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said, whack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said, whack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said, whack, 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 but no little ducks came swimming back. Oh no! We better get Daddy Duck to come and give him one of his big whack, whack, whacks. You ready? Daddy Duck went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. And when he went whack, 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 all the little ducks came swimming back. That was good. They all came back again, wasn't it? You really got to stay close to your parents when you go out. Don't go wandering off. It frightens us. Okay, let's have a song about horses. Here we go. So there's my little rider getting onto his horse. Horses. Lovely. We're going to do horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Just let your hooves go clippity-clop. Your tail goes swish, the wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound. Should we have another go? Here we go. Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Just let your hooves go clippity-clop. Your tail goes swish, the wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound. Sometimes I like to do that, well, because when I was little, my mum would put her, sit her on her knee, and then she'd bounce me up and down while she was doing the song. And I know we've done that in nursery sometimes with some children, haven't we? So maybe if mummy or daddy or an auntie or uncle, somebody who's living with you, could pop you on the knee and then you could sing the song, bounce you up and down. It is very good fun. Maybe go a little bit faster as well. Okay, how about, well, it has been lovely, gorgeous, sunny, blue sky weather, but there's also been quite a lot of rain. So why don't we do a poem about rain? Here we go. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Shall we have another go? Here we go. Make the rain. Here we are. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Do you see what I did there? Flat hand, and then I made a little fist, but my thumb's still sticking up. And that means morning. Morning. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Did you manage to do morning? Well done. Okay, how about a bit of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star? Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. There we go. Do you know, that made me feel a bit sleepy. Could we do some sleeping bunnies? Lie yourself down, nice and quiet. No moving. Very quiet, little sleeping bunnies. You've got to wait until you get the wake up sound, and then you can jump, 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 and hop, 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 and skip, skip, skip. But first, sleeping bunnies. Here we go. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall I come and gently wake them with a merry tune? Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up now, hop little bunnies, hop, 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 hop little bunnies, hop, 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 hop little bunnies, hop, 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 hop little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Oh, back to sleep again, lie down very still and ready to sleep. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall I come and gently wake them with a merry tune? Oh, how still are they ill? They're not ill, they're fine. Wake up now, jump little bunnies, jump, 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 jump little bunnies, jump, 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 jump little bunnies, jump, 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 jump little bunnies, jump, jump, jump. Oh, back to sleep, no jumping. Really sleepy and quiet. Here we go. See the little bunnies sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall I come and gently wake them with a merry tune? Oh, how still are they ill? Wake up now, skip little bunny, skip, 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 skip little bunny, skip, 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 skip little bunny, skip, 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 skip little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Oh, goodness me, that was a lot of jumping, but I suspect you're quite good at jumping. Shall we maybe do our kangaroo song? Why not? I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high I touch the sky. All day long I skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Should we do it a bit? Let's do it a bit. Chewing gum. I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high I touch the sky, and all day long skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. How else can we do it? Oh, we can do it really quietly. I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high I touch the sky, and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. Hoppity, hoppity, skippity, skippity, jumpity, jump to the kangaroo song. How about we went a little bit, just a tiny bit, faster? I'm a kangaroo and I can jump so high I touch the sky, and all day long I skip along and sing my little song. Hoppity, hoppity, hoppity. Oh, yeah, I finished. Didn't you finish yet? Oh, I'm very fast. Okay, I think it might be time for us to put our hands in the air and say goodbye, hi, goodbye low. Goodbye high, goodbye low. Goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly. Goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly. Goodbye slowly, goodbye fast. Goodbye slowly, goodbye fast. Goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum. Goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum. See you next time.